Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ConvertKit with AI to draft email sequences, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. If you don't have one, create a new account by visiting the ConvertKit website. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab on the main dashboard. Click on Create Automation to start a new sequence. Choose whether you want to start from scratch or use a template. If starting from scratch, click on Add Event to define how contacts will enter the sequence. Select Joins a Form or Joins a Sequence, depending on your preference. After setting the entry event, it's time to draft your email sequence. Open your preferred AI writing tool, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT. Decide on the purpose of your email sequence, whether it's for onboarding, promotions, or in your AI tool, prompt it to generate an outline for your email sequence. Next, begin drafting the individual emails based on the outline. Start with the first email's subject line. Prompt the AI to generate an engaging subject line for you. Once you have a subject line, ask the AI to write the email body. Focus on maintaining a friendly tone throughout the sequence. Repeat this process for each email in your sequence, adjusting as necessary. After drafting all emails, return to ConvertKit. Click Add Email in your automation to create the first email. Paste the draft from your AI tool into the email editor. Be sure to customize it to match your brand's voice and style. Set the timing for when each email will be sent. For example, you might want the first email to send immediately and subsequent ones a few days apart. Continue adding each email until your entire sequence is in ConvertKit. Once you've added all emails, review your automation settings. Ensure the triggers and rules are set correctly for smooth operation. Finally, test your automation to confirm everything works as intended. Once you're satisfied, activate your automation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.